Hi guys, Tentworld Browns Plains here doing a product review on the TAS 200 lumens emergency light. Alright, so here is the torch straight out of the pack. Inside the pack you actually get these three AA batteries, so what we do is unscrew the back here. We will pop them in one by one. Screw that cap back on and we're ready to go. Okay, I'll just run through some functions of the torch for you. So you've got your first click here is your bright front torch. Second click here is your wide beam, so this is very handy to use at night inside your tent, for example, and there is also a lower beam version of that. And your last click is your emergency red light. It even comes with a Trusty belt clip, look at that, and bang, the base is magnetic. Let's see now how they work at night. Front torch, it's your wide beam, that's on low, and your red light. And there we are, the TAS 200 lumen emergency light. It's an absolute must-have in anybody's collection. If you want one of these, pop into any one of our Tentworld stores or pick up one online.